Well, I really didn't want to make this video. I wrestled with it all week. Do I really want to put this on YouTube? No, I really don't. But in the interests of posting lessons learned, here we go. So you might recall that in a previous video, we were celebrating the fact that we had our septic all installed. And you might also recall that we have been wrestling with a drought in California. Well, last weekend we got 8 inches of rain in about 2 days. And when we installed our septic tank, we were unaware, should have known, but we're unaware, that best practice dictates that you should fill your septic tank with water. If you do not do that, this occurs. So now we get to lift up the septic tank, re-level the bottom, and reset it.
It doesn't look like it's flowing.
It's not flowing, honey. Right now you can see we have the pump hooked up because we pumped out all the water. You can see the water in this photo when we first discovered the tragedy. We licked our wounds for a few days and then got to work fixing it. One of the people who helped us out the first time we put the septic tank in was nice enough to come back and help us the second time, and we borrowed the harness to pick the tank up from the company that manufactured it. We used the big 320 cat, picked it up out of the hole, set it down on the ground, and surveyed the damage. And what we found was actually quite a bit of water still underneath where the tank had been, so we pumped that out. And once we had accomplished the drying out of our septic hole, then we had to re-level the bottom.
Yeah, I think we're okay, Willard. Anywhere I go, we're catching a beam,
So it was finally time to set the septic tank back where it belongs, level and hopefully not coming out again, ever. And you better believe this time we filled it with water. Thanks a lot for watching. We really appreciate your likes, comments, and sharing, and we'll see you next time.